Yo guys, I'm on the road, man, with a bicycle. For the first time after 12 years, I'm riding a bicycle, man. Not just riding on the tarmac. I told you I'll buy new tires for this beast, and today I just did that. First step, I just installed the new tires and I'm doing some kind of road test. So far I've done like 10 kilometers riding, and I'm hitting the last kilometer, then back to my house as I wait for the next step. I've just done the tires and I forgot to do the brakes. Not like I forgot, but financially I could only manage to do the tires. So you can see I don't have the brakes, man. After a few days I'll do the brakes, then do something else, trying to fine-tune this bicycle to a point where we can ride from Garissa town to Nairobi city. The journey has just started. They say a journey of 1,000 miles start with a single step. This is my first step, and I hope there is more and more coming until we reach Nairobi, man. Nairobi. If someone may be asking where am I am in Garissa town towards Modika Army Air Base. Army Air Base. I want to do some kind of exercise. I've never rode a bicycle for a very long time, so for me to go on a road trip, a road adventure to Nairobi, I have to start doing exercises. This is day one of this kind of exercises. Today I managed to do 15 kilometers. I'm sure if I do another one tomorrow, I'll hit more than 15 kilometers. I want to move from Garissa town next time all the way to Nuno village, then back with this bicycle, while trying to just tune it and getting used to this strenuous work. Let me try and see how far I can push myself this year, 2024. This is my first challenge and I'm ready for this challenge, man. Sumeya. This is Sumeya area. See, there is a Sumeya mosque somewhere here. Yeah, let us hit the road, man. Let us see if we are ready for the challenge. ready for this journey, ready for the adventure, ready for everything that will come on our way to Nairobi, man. This is Somea Integrated Educational Center. On this other side, that is it. Let us go all the way to Ikhlas Integrated Academy, I think, and return back to Garissa. It will be enough for the day, for the first day. It will be enough for the first day. Then the second day we'll do another. I don't know if I'll still come this direction or I can change the direction. Mostly I want to get used to the tarmac. Wow, those are Kenya Army truck on the way to the base, man. Ready for the beautiful sunset. Here we are, man. Here we are. We have to do it. We have to do it no matter what. Yeah. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for being there for me. And I'm pretty sure there's much to come. Let us have this adventure together. Let us, the support, man. I love the support I'm getting from you guys. Road adventure on a bicycle. Ikhlas is here eventually. Ikhlas. This sign class is that direction. This is the signpost. Ikhlas schools, high school, primary, kindergarten, madrasa, and duxi. Yeah. Here we are, guys. Have to go back. Have to go back, man, to town. Then from there, you have to go back. I feel overstretched already. I think it's because of, I'm not used to this. Let me show you the tires. The tires I bought. Look at this. This is the new tire, man. Wild cut. Hatex. They say this is the best in the market. I don't know how true this is, but this is it. You can see the treads. are ready for this. They also did this. This is the back. This is the back tires. Also the treads look the same, right? And this is the bike now. There's a lot that needs to be done. I think I need some, I need the brakes first, and other smaller things, like we have to look at the moving parts and do some services, minor services. I hope you will be there for the next episode of this bike. I'm trying to make it look better for the journey. Thank you guys. Let's meet on the next video.